Here's my charging setup. As you can hear, it just finished a charge. So now I can try my temp sensor. I have two others that look much better. I like the Velcro strap on them, but they don't work with this charger apparently. So I'm about to find out if this one does. In the meanwhile, I have been using this multimeter. Let's get a closer look at the discharge setup. We have, of course, 6 cheap multimeters, the battery load tester, we have an accurate multimeter to monitor the stick voltage. The other half of the multimeter is over here. And we have an infrared thermometer. These screws in the plastic clamps have a very sharp tip. They just make the tiniest hole, piercing the heat shrink to make contact. Now, a couple of little minor things about the load tester. It doesn't have a definite off position. It just unscrews counterclockwise until it stops pulling current. Likewise, it doesn't have a definite engage position when you turn it clockwise. You just turn it until it starts pulling current. And it just barely gets warm, especially on this light load, I guess, for what it's rated for and for the short durations that I'm running it. And yes, I am running it inside the house. I tried it outside first just to see what would happen, and it, like I said, it just barely gets warm, and it creates a minor sulfur odor, about equivalent of striking a match. Stick 10 test 1. 24, 25, 25, 25, 24, 8, 25, 24. Here we go. Stick 10, test 2. 29, 29, 29, 31, 29, 28. Stick 10, test 4. 36, 36, 36, 38, 37, 35. Stick 10, Another test. Stick 10. 40, 40, 40, 42, 41, 38. I mentioned earlier that these 6 meters here are pretty cheap, and I have a better meter, this Fluke Model 233, as a much more accurate reference for the stick voltage. Right now it's connected to a 5-volt precision reference right here. That should be 5.0000. We're reading 4.999, so I think that's close enough. I tested each of the less expensive multimeters with that 5-volt reference, and from right to left I got 4.98, 5.01, 4.92, 4.97, 4.96.